if you are a stay-at-home mom who is always tired, you are always overwhelmed, and or you are always wondering if you ever, or maybe if you will ever get some time to do what you love, or maybe even to make $1 online, and you are just seeing other moms, or maybe your other females are actually earning some money online and sharing their stories, and you're wondering how are they finding time, or maybe how are they even managing all this, how are they creating these things, how are they doing. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you, or maybe I'm gonna be saving you by revealing some of the few, or maybe some of the best AI tools that you can try to save your time and also to help you in terms of actually earning money online. And we are focusing on affiliate marketing. It is because it is something that I've done for quite some time, and it is something that I'm passionate about, promoting other people's products without actually worrying about the inventory, where to keep or what to do. If you don't know me, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Phoebe. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and this is my kids' room, like my bedroom, their bedroom. This is where they normally come to sleep and play and do stuff, and this is also my home office. I call it my home office because I know that soon or later I'm gonna own one, and for now this is where I normally do all my magic and where I come to dive in and start earning money from diapers to dollars. Now let me take you through, very easy, and it's gonna be a very short one, and I hope you're gonna enjoy. If you're finding value, you want to see more hacks when it comes to mom life and also AI hacks, do me one favor guys, like the video, subscribe, call a mom, tell a girlfriend, or anyone who thinks can benefit from this, and let's dive in. Let me be real. This space, or maybe these things I'm talking about, it's not like it is always like when you are seeing here, maybe where I'm sitting right now, it's not like it is always peaceful, or maybe it is always like this. There were times when I felt really overwhelmed because of the kids, the background noise, and I felt very tired, and I had no time even to think or to write anything, or maybe to create anything online. But I didn't give up, and I began to start learning new skills and also diving into AI. When I discovered AI, everything changed, and up to now I'm still utilizing AI tools for time management, for productivity, and also to make money online. Now the first tool that I discovered was actually ChatGPT. AI tool that I discovered was actually ChatGPT, and when I used ChatGPT for the first time, I was mind blown, and I was scared actually even to use it, because I was like, what the hell, like writing, it took me a lot of time when I want to write something, and I could just start imagining, but putting it together and actually just writing everything, it was hard. So when I tried ChatGPT for the first time, when it actually started booming, or maybe started actually going viral, I was super excited and also I wanted to try more. So I remember asking ChatGPT to write for me a recipe, and I was like, wow, so this thing can actually write. And with time I learned a lot. ChatGPT is not just for writing, but it does a lot, especially nowadays that we have new models that are being actually shown, or maybe introduced, that are actually worth learning about. And nowadays you can use ChatGPT to do absolutely everything. It can write for you, it can give you strategies, it can arrange for you, it can create content for you, it can give you scripts for anything. It does a lot. It can even see what you're doing. I'm kidding, don't be scared. So this is just one tool that I use on a normal, or maybe on a daily basis, like ChatGPT. And of course we have a lot that we're going to be diving in, but for a beginner I just wanted to introduce ChatGPT. If you haven't actually heard about it, it is one of the best. That is so easy. The interface, how you interact with it, it's so easy. Okay, so and the best thing is that we have a free version, and also you can use on your mobile even if you don't have a laptop. So that is something that I highly recommend you to try as a busy mom, and if you want to actually dive into online space, especially when it comes to actually creating content and also your own affiliate marketing progress. Okay, now I use it for several times, like for several things. Like I said, in most cases I use it to actually plan what I want to do, or maybe what I want to write about. It's gonna help me in terms of brainstorming my ideas, in terms of actually writing the content for Pinterest, for YouTube, for my social media accounts. So, and also the best thing is that ChatGPT right now can actually create amazing pins. If you haven't watched that video whereby I'm telling you step by step how you can utilize it, I'll leave a link so that you guys can actually also watch and tell me how are you using ChatGPT, how is it helping you as a busy mom. ChatGPT does not just give you formulas or maybe write for you, it also helps me in terms of actually planning, okay, what my kids gonna eat. I'm not saying that I depend on AI for everything, but when I don't have something to actually quickly fix for my kids, I just come to ChatGPT and ask it, what can I do, what can I cook for my kids for dinner? Maybe they have eaten something, they are fluffy, they don't want this, they don't want this, how can I fix this? Immediately ChatGPT gonna give me ideas, and with the creative mind that I have, I use it to actually do what, make something for my kids, fix something at home, and voila, my work is easier. Okay, so I use ChatGPT for strategies for my own affiliate programs, for my own things at home, okay, for planning what will I do next. Okay, now when it comes to time management, I also have other tools that I want to dive in, maybe I'll dive in later, which include Notion AI, which saves me a lot in terms of actually arranging the tasks that I want to do, or maybe things that I want to do, and other things. Now the best part when it comes to actually all these things is the money making wise. Now I have used AI tools to actually create some amazing things when it comes to actually selling online digital products like ebooks, kids coloring books, which is one of my favorite because I'm raising bilingual kids who are speaking both Turkish and English. So I utilize this AI to give me ideas and insert my own creativity to produce something that they can actually learn from, and that saves me time and also energy and also money. Instead of me going to the market and buy all these books or these coloring books, which are super expensive sometimes, I just make from my comfort of this place, and then go and print and bring it home, and we can color together, have activities going on around together, just within my comfort zone. So it is one of the things that I highly recommend you to try to dive in and use your own creativity and just utilize these AI tools. Now, if you are new, maybe you are scared of actually computer, you are scared of this big tech stuff, don't worry, because even simple things you can do it using your own phone, and simple design tools that are actually AI powered, like Canva AI, Canva Magic Design, one of the best that I highly recommend you to try. It can help you in terms of actually creating some amazing visuals for your kids, or maybe for your business, or maybe for your campaigns when it comes to actually promoting your products. And also Canva does a lot. It creates even videos like you can use for video creation. If you're a person who doesn't want to come on camera, you can do faceless YouTube channels using Canva. There are so many tools in Canva that I'm gonna dive in some of these days so that you guys can start utilizing, and it's gonna save you a bunch of time within a time. If you love to write, then this is for you, because we have also elements on Canva, or maybe using AI tools that can actually help you to write compelling articles, blog posts, or Medium articles, and start posting wherever you want and start earning money, guys. This is something that you can do it freely. Like, we have free version, we have pro version, which is amazing. Now, coming to the end of this video, these are just a few things that I'm actually telling you. One of the best AI tools that when it comes to research that I normally use is Perplexity. Now, Perplexity is similar to ChatGPT, but it goes deeper when it comes to actually giving me information. For instance, if I'm researching about a certain topic or maybe a certain product, I just go to Perplexity and give it instruction, which we call prompt, and it's gonna give me exactly what I'm looking for depending on what the conversation is about. One of the best that I highly recommend. Now, when it comes to actually video creation, sometimes when I'm tired and not even tired, when I just want something new, I use AI tools to help me when it comes to actually video or maybe content creation, because I'm also a content creator. I run my my own affiliate products, marketing products, or maybe small business from here, from at home. I do a lot. I'm also a wife, by the way. As you can see, I have a ring. I'm a mother, and I do a lot of other things, a bunch of things. But with the help of AI, my goodness, I don't know where I could, like, without it, I don't know how I could be doing all these things. Now, I was talking about the video creation. There are so many AI tools that you can right now use as a stay-at-home mom or as a busy mom that can actually help you to arrange your videos or your content for your social media, or maybe if you are a YouTuber or you are a content creator, to actually utilize them in terms of script writing, in terms of actually the video, the visuals and stuff. One of the best when it comes to visuals, image generation, the tool that I normally use is actually Design AI. It was initially called Stellar AI, but nowadays it's called Design AI. One of the best. It produces a lot in terms of different styles, and it is one of the tools that I normally use to actually even create digital products like coloring kids book, and also other visuals, or maybe other things when it comes to actually designing, because it has a lot of style like Flux AI, which is just amazing. I also use KİTTL or KİTTL.com. I know that there are so many things that I'm talking about. Maybe for a beginner you might not understand, but we're going to be diving in slowly by slowly so that I can actually share with you in depth on screen so that you can see how I do it. Now, I do not just only make content and also do affiliate marketing, but also I run my own online businesses on Gumroad and also on Etsy. I have two shops on Etsy, one which is actually was successful, but I closed it because of some technical error. I use it for actually tutorials, and I have also one that I see that it is picking up, which I have always made, or maybe I have always used AI tools to actually create designs and also incorporate my own thinking, my own creativity, and actually produce print on demand stuff. For instance, t-shirt designs, for instance, handbags, not handbag, tote bags, and mugs, and all those stuff when it comes to actually print on demand stuff. I use a third party which is actually Printify to help me create this amazing stuff and sell them on my stores on Etsy and also on Gumroad. Now, I know that I'm talking a lot, but I think you have gotten an idea how AI has actually changed my life and saved me a ton of time as a busy mom. I'll see you next in depth, one by one, 101, or how do we say it? I'll talk about more. Maybe I'll pick a product, or maybe I'll pick a topic or an AI tool, and then we're going to be diving in how you can utilize it as a busy mom, a stay-at-home mom who want to actually have your own money. And until next time, guys, bye.